Morning traders, Nick Mastandrea, Market Tea Leaves here to bring our daily market bias video for Thursday, September 10th. It's approximately 4:15 or quarter after 4 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session. Asia traded completely to the downside, unlike the previous session, which traded completely to the upside. Now we're seeing a reversal, in all likelihood, following Wall Street heels yesterday in terms of a downward trend. In Europe, and this is current and ongoing, as Europe is open and trading, they are also following suit, as all of Europe is trading to the downside at this hour. Now we're going to take a look at more correlations as it stands. Currencies in terms of the US dollar is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of oil is also trading higher. There is no correlation between the US dollar and crude as is broadcast. The indices themselves are trading lower. And the futures themselves are all trading higher. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a higher open. And metals are starting to trade higher as well. We don't necessarily feel that this is a fear factor territory. However, it's getting close to that. Now, in terms of economic news, we have on the docket today for the U.S. markets. We do have quite a bit. At 8:30 a.m., we have unemployment claims, which is major and proven market mover. Is also usual, customary for Thursday. Also at 8:30 we have import prices. At 10 a.m. wholesale inventories, and at 10:30 we have natural gas storage. At 11 a.m. we have crude oil inventories, which we did not have yesterday due to the Labor Day holiday on Monday. At 1 o'clock this afternoon we have a 30-year bond auction. Something to be mindful of trading in the afternoon because it could change market direction and it could have an impact on afternoon trading. All in all, our bias is neutral, and the reason why we're suggesting this is as follows. Currencies in terms of the US dollar is trading higher. Energies in terms of crude is also trading higher. Now, at first glance, this would be and should be a good indication that the markets will go lower. However, that's not happening. Additionally, gold is also trading higher. Again, a very good indication that the markets themselves, or the futures themselves, should be going lower in terms of the indices. That's not happening. What is happening is the futures are going higher, and what we're seeing is we're seeing that the instruments themselves are doing one thing, but the indices themselves are not following through. In other words, there's no follow through in terms of the index futures, if you will. Hence, our bias is neutral because it tells us right then and there that the markets could go in any direction today, and a lot of what we see today, or will see today, is going to be predicated upon economic news, which of course hasn't been reported yet. Hence, our bias is neutral, which means the markets could go in any direction today. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.